Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting a compatible headset or USB mic to your Xbox. This is essential because the console routes voice input through the active device. Once connected, open Settings, go to Devices and Streaming, and make your headset the default input. Make sure the controller firmware is updated so the mic works reliably. Without that, audio dropouts are common. After that, test quick by speaking into the mic and checking the audio meter to confirm the console detects your voice. Next, you create or join a party if you want group chat captured, because game clips only record local chat by default. Once in the party, go to Capture and Share and set microphone capture permissions so the Xbox records your voice. This controls whether party audio is included. Then decide if you'll use manual recording or capture the last moments. Use the capture button for manual clips, or enable background recording to capture the previous 30 seconds to 10 minutes, depending on your settings. This ensures the audio is saved with the clip. To finish, save the recorded clip to your Xbox captures and export it via OneDrive or the Xbox mobile app for editing. This lets you trim or separate voice tracks later. Once saved, make sure the clip includes microphone audio by playing it back. If you need higher fidelity, export to a PC and use audio editing software. If recording fails, check that your mic isn't muted, review privacy settings that block party chat recording, and confirm the correct input device is selected. These fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.